Morning guys. We've had a little egg lay last night from this little galah. First time she's ever laid an egg before. It's not going to be a fertilised egg obviously because she's got no male around, but then now I definitely know that she's a girl. I knew that she was a girl pretty much because her eyes, see how they're quite red? That's mostly on girl galahs. Pinky? It's a bit slimy, it's quite strange. There you are, that's your egg that you laid. Yeah. Doesn't really give a shit about her egg. I'll have a good day guys. I just thought I'd share that, that's pretty cool.